I want everybody to finish this project while they still have 10 fingers.
Wonder, 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 wonder.
Give me a bit of a insight of why you chose this site in particularly.
I'm interested to actually do structures for a smaller kebun. We've always been doing it for a bigger kebun. And also because the members of this community wanted something that is a little bit more practical.
Alright.
That has to do with growth, that has to do with planting and gardening. I hope that the students can learn, in addition to what they have to learn for their project learning outcome, something about plants and about life.
I see, okay.
Sure, but don't you mean tonight?
Three.